This is Mr. Coatney's JT Learn tutorial site for English 4. As you can see, this is my teacher site. This is where you will receive all of your information. This is the left-hand rail. What I want to do is just take a moment to go over each tab to give you an idea of what to expect. Here is just there'll be various surveys. The only one that I have now is just a summer reading survey. You would simply click on it, and then you would click here to respond to this survey. And this is something that I created during the summer, but again, this is just something that we'll have throughout the school year with surveys. The period site, this is important because this is the majority of the information that you receive for your online discussions, homework, and your surveys. So as you can see here, everything is outlined. This is your Unit 1 homework, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, and so forth and so on. I have Unit 1 available. When we get to Unit 2 and the various other units, you will be able to click on those, but right now those are not available. When you click on it, you'll go to your homework, then it'll take you to the Padlet site, and then you have to do as the course, and what we'll always do is 1A, 1B, and 1C. Then you click on it, and then you will have that information. It'll be here, complete parts A, B, and C in order to receive full credit. But we'll talk about Padlet a little later. That's your homework. Padlet introduction. This is what we'll start on Tuesday, just to get you familiar with it and acclimated with Padlet. Again, in instructions, how would you describe your summer vacation? It's something that I want you to do, but I want you to utilize Padlet. This is my example with my name, my summer, a picture of the family, and then here are some things that you can do with Padlet. So you'll play around with that, and then we'll have a complete class list. This is the homework is due by September the 13th, 2015. Now everything on this website is tentative to change, but I will always give you ample notice. This is one of the discussion boards, so just make sure you be aware of that. You click on it, and then again, you would answer the question or respond to the question, your post-high school plans. So that is just the homework link for and the survey as well as the discussion for your particular period. Now, once you get to the home course, the majority of the other information will be here on the left-hand rail. College resources, college and career, you necessarily don't need that now, but it is linked to a PowerPoint mix. Ask Mr. Coatney. This is something that we'll do throughout the year. We'll start it off on Monday, and then also on Tuesday, just ask Mr. Coatney a question, or either one or two questions that you would like to ask me. About the JT Learn site, about myself, just you can post the questions, and I'll answer them in class, so everybody will be able to see them. This is the most important thing, the assignment Dropbox. This is where you will upload assignments. So you go here to assignment Dropbox, click new document, then upload existing file. Do not click Word document, click upload existing file, and then from that point you will go on and upload the file. Another important link here on the left hand side is the Unit 1 expectations. It has everything outlined for the entire unit. Expectations, activities, and assignments. It gives you an overview of the expectation, and then it has a little checklist for you to do. So if you want to work ahead, or if you want to work, do it over the weekend, etc., you will be able to do so. Now, this is not everything that we'll be doing in class, but these are just the major assignments, things that we will be doing. But it gives you an idea of the course, an idea and a goal. And here is always the Common Core standards that we will be addressing in this class. And you don't have to worry about the document library and those other links, but this is just a little overview of the JT Learn site. The last thing I want to show you is the calendar, because the calendar is important because it has all the information there for us to take a look at. See if I can get back here. Okay. Here we have some application and web tools. We'll be utilizing these. These are already hyperlinked. Again, you just click on it, Padlet, Weebly ThingLink, MP3 converter, Actively Learn, which we'll talk about on Tuesday and Wednesday, as well as Curriculate. It gives you a little description here, but as you see the calendar, if you click on it, it'll give you an idea of what we'll be doing for the entire week here. And if there's any links, these normally will be hyperlinked, but again, that's on the right-hand side. So again, this is just a little tutorial on my JT Learn page, how to access everything. We will go over it extensively in class. This is my email, as well as my number if you need to reach me. Thank you, and have a nice day.